Trader, trader, what a surprise. Regn, biotech company, daily chart. I've been trading it now for 25 years through many different therapies and different vaccines and you name it. And every time that we see on a daily where we drop this significantly, every time you didn't buy it, you missed the big rally from the low to the high, and then we have the high back to this low. And we have support, we have resistance, we have a daily sell signal that's been in the name since it started to reverse. This goes on our power long-term investing list. Yes. And you qualify to get in on the 90-day option trade. All you have to do is call me. Regn. When we come down and we hit that support, here's the trampoline. Like that. That's when we're buying the dip. That's an example why, how, and knowing how to take the best company in the NASDAQ, in the biotech, the number one, and buy the dips. That's why they're number one. Once again, join our live trading room. I will put out the buy alerts when they get to their final destiny, but every time that you don't buy it, you don't get paid.